Welcome back to the channel. We're back to work on the crispy bike. Removed the forks, the triples, and the front wheel. Fixed an improper seal placement on this fork. Now it's no longer leaking. We replaced the charred Super Corsa SP on the carbon rim with a Rosso 3 and tried to show you guys the carbon damage on this wheel inside and out. That stand is so easy to use. And we got handlebars, baby. Now a brand new box from Evolution Bike from Italy has arrived. I believe it's for the engine. So let's get to work. Man, look at that clean cylinder block. That took forever, and if you've ever cleaned carbon deposit off of pistons, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Evolution Bike has sent out all the gaskets I need for this engine rebuild, including the head gasket, which is 0.70. Let's clean this head up and then slap it on the freshly cleaned Brutale engine. This shim is a blank. After taking years to clean everything, we finally got the head on. With our 0.7 gasket in the middle, and I've got some new bolts for the burnt bolts on the outside, and we can start installing these, but to torque this head properly, I need an angled torque wrench, which means it goes to a certain degrees, not a certain torque rating. According to the procedure, you put all the bolts to 20 foot-pounds, all these go to 20 foot-pounds, and then once the head is set on there, you go to 210 degrees on each bolt from the inside out in a certain pattern. I'll show you guys once we get to it. But for now, let's keep prepping this engine. We got the starter and the alternator cover off. They're a bit charred, so we're gonna clean these suckers up, make them look brand new. It is pretty cool seeing the inside of one of these. And I am waiting on that angle torque wrench to torque the head properly, and then we can move on once we get the valve cover and the gaskets from OEM and the Agusta. This is a good stopping point for me as I'm just waiting on some key parts from Evolution Bike, aka OEM and the Agusta. Once we finalize this sucker, we can slap it and start making this thing run. But while we wait, we have a brand new build for you guys. I can't wait to show you, so we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.